Ladies and gentlemen, we want to welcome you to a city well built by Mr. Fashola, the Minister of Works and Housing, a man who succeeded from Lagos landlord, Mr. Ahmed Bola Tinubu, who took Tinubu to Mr. Buhari to transform Nigeria. He said after 6 months, if they cannot transform Nigeria, we should take a stone and stone them. Look at what they built in Ogun State. Look at what they did in Ondo State. Very beautiful city. There is light everywhere. There's light. Minister for Power. Look at light everywhere. God will bless you. You did very well. You did very good. Good job. Good job. You guys did good job. Thank you so much. After all you stole from the government, look at what you people did. The money you people stole from the government, look at how they use it to develop a white man's country. Look at it. The money people are putting in Swiss bank, the money people are putting abroad. Look at what they did with it. They did something good with their money. Yet we cannot have a road like this in Nigeria. It's a big shame. You people should be ashamed. God will punish you people. Don't worry. If you people don't pay for it, your children will pay. If your children does not pay for it, your grandchildren will pay for all this pain you put on Nigeria. Look, people are suffering. You people gave condemned rights to Nigeria citizens. Look at what people are using their money to build. 28 billion caught fire in a skyscraper. This building has been here for almost 40 years. We've never seen fire one day in this building. Nothing like that. Look, from the day you people put money in that country, they put money in a building, they said they ate it. You went to borrow money from IMF, disvaluing Nigerian money every day. 3.4 billion US dollars every day, borrowing money and disvaluing our money. Citizens are crying, people are hungry, everything is happening, nobody is to talk. They say revolution will come very soon. You people should wait. Revolution will come. There will be no safe haven for all of you. Just Corona has just started. They said Corona, what is worse than Corona is coming. China is telling you people that what is worse than coronavirus is coming. You people should be ready. Now, go and start building hospital. Go and start building all the infrastructure you need to build, because Corona is just a test. They are just trying to test run it. Look at what they are doing with our hard-earned money. Look, you see, you put money in their country, they use it to build infrastructure, they will disvalue your naira so that you don't refund money. Abacha, since he died, he has been signing money from heaven to Nigeria, 300 million US dollars every year. We don't know what Osibajo, Buhari, Tinubu, Fashola, we don't know what you people are doing with the money. Oshomole, Ojeini, we don't know what you are doing with the money. God will punish all of you. He will punish all of you. Your children will pay. Oh, don't forget, we know all your names. Your children, they don't pay, your grandchildren will pay for this insult, for this pain you people put on Nigeria. This insult, this pain you put on Africa, put on Nigeria, to be precise. You people are not ashamed. Look, yes, you want to give China your port. You are borrowing money from China, borrowing money from IMF, borrowing money from Paris Club. Look at them, look at their society, look at their place. You people come here to come and take refuge. You will come and lie down here, stay in their hospital. Why not replicate what you are seeing here now in Nigeria? Tinubu, Buhari, Oshomole, Fashola. You said we should throw you people stone if people does not develop Nigeria. The stone has not started. Very soon, like the way Arab Spring happened, it will happen in Nigeria. 20 of Sowore are yet to be born. 20 of Sowore are yet to be born. Look at Abacha's family with all what you stole. Obasanjo, look at the money you people stole. Buhari, Babangida, look at all the money you people stole. You could not use it to do anything. Go to your state, they are all dirty and smelling. Everybody is hungry, giving condemned rice to people to go and eat. Poisonous rice. You think the 10,000 naira you gave to them, that you people said that caught fire, that it will sustain a family of 4 or a family of 3 for 1 month? You people should be ashamed. Be ashamed. APC government, be ashamed. God will punish you people. Nemesis has not started. The number one has just gone down, which is Abakeri. The next is yet to go down. You people should start building hospital, because Chinese now has told the whole world that soon and very soon what is greater and bigger than coronavirus is coming. Don't worry. If you like, go and start electing. Let them start campaigning. Let them start campaigning. Chinese people, let them. You people are giving them chief testing title. Now, God is beginning to open you people's chance to see how they are mining gold in Nigeria. The gold that you refuse to give to the Nigeria public. The gold you people refuse to give us. Let us partake of the natural resources. You are giving it to Chinese because they didn't settle you people. That is why you are exposing them. You people should not worry. God will punish you people. God will punish you people. Ogwonba Buwa Buhari, Ogwonba Buwa Shomole, Ogwonba Buwa Tinubu, Fashola, Ogwonba Buwa, una go die. Una children una go suffer for this pain put on Nigeria. wazaka wagon rubbish.